Alright guys, this is going to be a video on the 50-inch chrome Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. I modified it to 4 blaze. Here's the other blade, the last one. I personally like it better with 5 than 4. And yeah, the parts are not original. There's these downward paint through, but got its own bracket. And the screws back there. So that's the original. These two are not. And this is just for the blade screws. Blade to motor screws. Alright, to low. They has a nice athletic low speed. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I got this fan from Trading Post. I think on my 17th birthday, I believe, I got this at Trading Post. Along with a polished black ventilla. The light is not original to that fan at all. Nor is the low ceiling adapter. I added that on. I added low ceiling adapter on the ventilla. Cause I just didn't want it on this original download anymore. Can still feel a bit of a breeze from your low. Do medium. And by the way, the fan's on forward. And I can definitely feel some airflow from it. This is a Llama 3 Plus. Got it from Ella. I already made a video of that already on my channel. I've worked the Alaska down there. Got the Barbie show down low. Cause I had to buy even blade. And I also flush mounted it. Cause the canopy. Yeah, flush mounted. Alright, let's take it to high. Faster than any other fan. Goes really fast. Alright, let's do spin down. Then I'm probably gonna unplug it. And by the way, I had an extension download to the Savory. The download came off the new valve. Which is right there. Alright, spin down from high. And then I'm gonna do reverse. Maybe I don't think I'm gonna do reverse this time. Train's not hidden down there, it's just literally in there on the nut. There we go. Yeah, the blades are not reversible. Yeah, blades are not reversible at all. And I still have laid Delta blades. You know what blades? Like my 3+ blades. The nails are almost done. Almost done. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment or subscribe.